guys, it's Quentin. We're in our neighbor's garage looking today at that Craftsman half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. As you can see, and that light bulb is burned out. As you can see, but the light still works. So now let's close it. Open it back up.
You noticed our light bulb burnt out? It just burnt out, buddy. I haven't had a chance to replace it yet.
Yeah.
He's all on me.
But thank you for letting me videotape.
You're welcome anytime, buddy.
Okay. I will need a video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. Bye.